How to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get Bluetooth back up and running properly on your PC. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on Bluetooth and Devices. At this point, make sure the Bluetooth toggle at the top is switched on. From there, if it is already on, toggle it off and back on again to refresh the connection. After that, try connecting to your Bluetooth device again and check if it is detected. In the next step, if Bluetooth is still not working, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. From there, expand the Bluetooth section and check if your Bluetooth adapter appears there. Once done, if it shows a yellow warning icon, right-click on it and click on Update Driver. Following this, click on Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest driver. From here, restart your PC and check if Bluetooth is now working. At this stage, go back to Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices, and confirm Bluetooth is now turned on and able to detect nearby devices. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.